So we get straight into the project today. I'm going to tape up the board and put the pattern to the wood. Using the drill press, I'm going to put the pilot holes into the pattern. I'm only going to be showing you a few of these. It was a long process. So over to the scroll saw, and I'm going to be using the 3mm spiral blade today. I always find this bit really fiddly. So here we go. Putting the blade through the pilot holes that we made earlier, and we're going to start cutting out all those little bits. As you can imagine, there was a load of blade changes in this. Just going to change it up a little bit here and cut round the bigger parts. Here you can see I've cut off the shepherd's crooks, but you'll see later in the project how I've replaced those. Here I'm just sanding all the edges of the pieces that I've pre-cut. As you can see here, I had to recut the star as the first one broke while I was sanding it. If any of you have any good ideas of how to attach the picture to the wood without making a mess, please leave a comment below. Now that the layers are all sanded, I'm going to paint them using acrylic paints. For the night sky, I'm using 2 parts paint, 1 part water, just wiping off the excess paint. After applying the second coat of paint, I've added glitter while it's still wet. Using 6mm MDF, I've drawn out the parts to make the box. Using the mitre saw, I'm going to cut out the individual pieces. Just sanding down some wood to make the crooks. The third crook is going to be made out of a paper clip. Now it's time to put the box together. Using the strips that I've cut previously, I'm going to use the wood glue and super glue to fasten these securely. I use the individual layers to get the spacing right. Once the box is all put together, I do a dry run and then I can get ready for painting. So here we go for the final fit. The lights I'm using on this project are cob lights that we just got off of Amazon. Here I'm just looping the lights along the panels that I've put in to separate the layers. I haven't actually fixed in the back two layers. This way they can be removed, or you can make another light box out of them if you wanted to. I've actually put some glue on this and used screws, but it might be an idea just to use the screws so that you can replace the lights if you need to. And for the final touch, we mustn't forget the star. And so there we have it, the final piece, the Nativity Scene as a light box for Christmas.